Hey everyone, today we're breaking down a major shift in US immigration and citizenship law, and it's one that could reshape what it means to be American. President Donald Trump just got a big win from the Supreme Court, and he's vowing to promptly file new actions to restrict birthright citizenship. That's the constitutional right of granting US citizenship to anyone born on US soil, even if their parents are undocumented. But here's the thing. Most Americans apparently are not on board. According to a poll earlier this year led by the Associated Press, only about 3 in 10 Americans support changing the Constitution to deny citizenship to kids born on US soil if their parents are here illegally. Roughly half of Americans said to be against it, and about 20% were neutral. Despite that, the Supreme Court just gave Trump something he's been fighting for, a tool to move forward with his plan in at least 28 states, the ones that haven't legally challenged it. In a 6-3 decision written by Justice Amy Coney Barrett, the court ruled that lower federal courts can't block Trump's executive order nationwide. That is huge because it limits the judge's powers to issue broad rulings that stop federal policies from going into effect across the country. Barrett wrote, and I quote, "Federal courts do not exercise general oversight of the executive branch. When a court concludes that the executive branch has acted unlawfully, the answer is not for the court to exceed its power to." In other words, the court is saying judges can't overreach, even when the executive branch does. But not everyone agreed to this. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, in a fiery dissent, called the ruling shameful, saying the majority was playing into Donald Trump's gamesmanship. She even called the policy patently unconstitutional. And that brings us to the heart of this legal battle. The 14th Amendment. It clearly states, and I quote, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States." For over a century, that's been interpreted to mean exactly what it says. If you're born here, you're a citizen. That's it. So, what now? Trump's next move could put this long-standing constitutional right under direct attack and reshape how citizenship is granted in America. But it also sets up another high-stakes legal fight over the limits of presidential power and the roles of the courts in checking it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Should birthright citizenship be changed? Or is this a dangerous overreach? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching.